to be outside here. We are not coming inside. People will remain. I want to talk to him and understand what he's talking about. Okay. In case it's a matter.
The ODM party wishes to express serious concern about the life and safety of its national vice chairperson and Kisii governor, His Excellency Simba Arati, following repeated violent attacks perpetrated by known persons in broad daylight with what appears to be tacit support and collaboration with elements in the security forces. All these incidents have been reported to the police and widely captured by both mainstream and social media, but we wish to lay them out here for the purposes of the record. On 6 January 2023, Honorable Arati was attending the funeral of the father to Paul Okombo Ayema, the MCA for Boikanga Ward in South Mugirango constituency, when the area MP, Honorable Hon.Osoro, unleashed violence with his goons shooting arrows at mourners in the full glare of the police. Governor Arati, who was the target of this attack, was safely evacuated by his security team. The incident was reported at Nyamarambe police station, and to this date, no one of the known culprits has been brought to book. On the 8th of January 2024, as the governor went about issuing bursary forms in Nyankembene, in the same ward in South Mugirango, armed men stormed the meeting with gunshots, rending the air. Many people were injured in the resulting stampede. Some, including the governor's security detail, suffered gunshot wounds, and the DCIO here has confirmed to me that that gentleman is still in office. It turned out in hospital. It turned out that those gunmen were in fact police officers. One of the officers captured firing at the crowd with an AK-47 rifle was identified as one Kevin Lagat of force number 260865. He is a police constable attached to Hon.Osoro. Others are Simon Murithi of force number 119319 and Peter Muge of force number 239197, all stationed at Nyanchwa police station. It is suspected that Kevin Lagat has been transferred to Parliament Police Station since that incident. One officer, Maurice Kiambi, is believed to have been ferried from his station of duty in Langata, Nairobi, to participate in this heinous attack. That such a brazen attack could happen in a country supposedly run in accordance with the rule of law is beyond comprehension. This incident was reported here at Kisii Police, Central Police Station, and the OB number is here, which we have provided to Mr. Kimwele, the OCPD, and he says the matter is under investigation. We take note of the loud silence of the CS in charge of national security, Honorable Kindiki, and the Inspector General of Police, and the entire security apparatus. Their policy appears to be see no evil and hear no evil. It is this silence, coupled with the fact that no action whatsoever has been taken either against Hon.Osoro or any of his goons in police uniform, that leads us to the conclusion that this is a state-sponsored violence approved at the highest level of the security command. Following the public outrage over the incident and fearing a backlash, it is now understood that the police in Kisii, under the leadership of the county commander, Mr. Charles Kasese, are now planning a diversionary raid on the governor's residence in the guise of searching for firearms. We take this opportunity to condemn in the strongest possible terms the actions of Hon.Osoro and the police and demand as follows. Number one, that the IG of police must immediately transfer the Kisii Police County Commander. Yes. Number two, that action must be taken against the officers identified in the attack during the issuance of the bursary forms. They should be interdicted as they await their date with justice. Number three, that at the very minimum, Hon.Osoro should be asked to record a statement with the police if he has become too powerful to be arrested. Number four, that the Independent Police Oversight Authority must immediately commence investigations into the abuse of police power in Kisii County. Lastly, all these things must happen within the next 14 days, failing which the party will pursue other avenues to ensure law and order in Kisii. Amen. In the meantime, we wish to state that should any harm come to our party national vice chairperson and governor of Kisii, Honorable Simba Arati, as a result of any subsequent attack against him, the persons named here, including Hon.Osoro, Police Commander Charles Kasese, and the IG of Police will be held personally responsible. Yes. That is the end of the statement.